Hi guys, welcome to my home. All right, come on in. So we're dog sitting my brother's dog, but this is my golden retriever Teddy. I'm gonna put him outside because they're gonna be a lot right now. Welcome to my house tour. This is almost 2 years in the making. I've been putting this off because my house has never really felt ready. And then I realized I'm always gonna feel that way, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. If you're new here, hello, my name is Jaclyn and I love making lifestyle, faith, and homemaking content. So if you like that, be sure to stick around. As always, everything will be linked in the description box down below. And if I miss anything, feel free to comment or DM me on Instagram and I'll try to get you the link. A little background on the house. It was built in
57.
And it was renovated in 2021. So this house is fully renovated, but we did not renovate this house. We bought it renovated. So we added our little touch, but they really did a good job with the whole renovation. So let's get started. So as you walk into the house, you see the living room, dining room, and the kitchen. So we'll start in the living room. Our couch is from Living Spaces. This is our first couch that we ever bought, and it is on its last leg. We definitely need a new couch, but it's worked great, and it was super affordable, and it's very comfortable. I'm big on a comfy couch, and I love this couch. And then all of our pillows are from Target, so I'll have those linked down below if they're still available. Now, a little tiny thing that I have to show you guys. So you might be wondering what that is. We bought that off Amazon. It's the best thing ever. You can set your drinks there, your phone there. It just gives you like a little side table on your couch. So I'll link that down below. Our coffee table is from World Market, but I actually got it off of Facebook Marketplace. I'm very proud of that find. We were in a bidding war and we still got a really good deal. And then underneath we have all of our board games in baskets to kind of conceal them, but they're still easy to reach because we love board games. I'm 99% sure this rug is from Overstock. I'll link it down below if I can find it. I love this rug. I think it's beautiful and it's faded over time, and I actually love what it's faded into. It's more subtle. Over here, we just have this side table from Target. This blanket is also from Target. This little flower vase thing is from Anthropologie. And then I just put some books here to give it a little bit more character. This is our TV console, and believe it or not, it's actually from IKEA. Every time I tell people that, they're like, oh my goodness. And it came in this color too. They're really expanding. It's their Landmark collection, and it has beautiful pieces. So I love this, and inside we just keep books and things like that. On top, these little vases are from Target, Hobby Lobby, and then we have our alabaster books over there. And then we also have our frame TV. We actually bought this used, so great deal. I'd love to get a different color around it, but I'm having a hard time finding a lighter wood, so I might just have to paint it. We'll see what I do with that. And then on this side, we have Teddy's little basket filled with his toys, leash, and just all of his stuff. On this side of the console, I have just a magazine holder that we keep our Bibles in, the books that we grab every single day, or little studies that we're doing, we just keep those there. These curtains are from Amazon. The curtain rod is from Target, and I get questions about our pull-down shades all the time. They pull down, they're really great, and these are from Lowe's. Okay, now moving on into our kitchen. This is my absolute favorite part of our house, and it's the kitchen. It's the heart of the home. I actually did an entire dedicated kitchen tour, so I'll go over the highlights here, but if you want to see all the details where everything is from, I'll put that video up here. These bar stools are from Bed Bath & Beyond, which I don't even know if they have it online anymore, so I'll try to find some similar ones, if not the same ones, and link them down below. I love this little area in our kitchen. It's just a half counter. But it's very useful. So right here we just keep our basket where we put keys, mail, sunglasses. It's very practical. And then right here we just have this little decor space, and back here I also just decorate. So I talked about this in my kitchen tour, but I think it's worth mentioning again, is that we have this huge window. It's actually supposed to be a door, and we have the ability to build a deck in the future, which has always been on our list. We really feel like it would just expand the home and make it feel so much bigger, and a great way to host people and have just like an in and out feel. So definitely on the list in the future. I have to brag on my husband, who's behind the camera right now. He built these shelves, drilled into tile, the whole thing. It was kind of a risky move. We added these shelves when we moved in, and they just, I feel like, have made it so much warmer in here. And this is my plant Sunny. When we bought the house, she was about that long. She's grown pretty far. So we love her. I love this runner that we have in the kitchen. It is from Target. I feel like it just brings all the greens that we have throughout the house. I feel like green is the color of our house, even though everything else is neutral. So something that I've kind of more recently done in our kitchen is add a few lamps, and I love it at night. It is just so cozy in the house. So I turn these lamps on every morning and just keep them on all day, and then there's also one behind you. Now to my baby. I can't do a kitchen tour without mentioning this guy. We love our espresso machine. So this is like our little coffee bar area, and we have our homemade vanilla syrup right here, and every morning we make ourselves lattes, and it is the best thing ever. So now let's head over into the dining room. So behind our couch, we have a basket where I just keep all of our extra throw blankets. And then this lamp that is from Target, I love how it kind of hangs over the couch. And at night, it's super cozy and it's adjustable, so it's perfect. Here in our dining room, we love this room. We try to eat here every night. We try. This table is from Pottery Barn. I got such a great deal on it through a local shop around here, so this is like probably my best deal that I've gotten in the whole house. Like, I think I literally got it half off, which is amazing. And these chairs are from Overstock. I really wanted some contrasting chairs, so Sam actually picked these out. He did a good job.
Can I talk? Or,
yeah.
Oh, really?
And then this rug is also from Overstock. It's like kind of the perfect size for the room. It fits, makes it feel more complete. And this little olive plant is from Target, and these two decorative pieces are also from Target. So we have the same curtains and blinds in here as we did in the living room. And then these sconces are from Amazon. They don't actually work, they just look pretty, and that's all that matters. So now moving on to this furniture piece. This was a piece that we bought for our apartment, and we didn't think we would need it in this home, but it works perfect in this space because it leaves enough room to go into this door behind me. This piece is actually from IKEA, and I painted it myself and changed the knob. So it's actually a shoe cabinet. It's meant to hold shoes, but we just use it for, honestly, a lot of my work things, paperwork, and a lot of Teddy stuff. This mirror on top, I'm just realizing it's very dusty. But this mirror on top is from Amazon. It's kind of like a knockoff of the Anthropologie mirror. It's very beautiful. And then this is from Target, and this is from, I want to say, Hobby Lobby. So you'll notice there's a door right here, and it actually goes down to our basement. We have a full-size basement downstairs. I showed it in a vlog pretty recently, so I'll put that in a card here. Okay, so now on this side of the house is our bedroom. This room actually used to be the carport of the house, so whenever they renovated it, they turned it into a room, which added an additional bedroom and space to the house. So we'll start with our bed. This bed frame is also from Living Spaces, the same brand that did our couch. And I love this bed. You would not believe that the headboard and the bed frame and everything was less than $500. It is such a great piece of furniture. It's beautiful and it's affordable. All of our decorative pillows are from Target. This blanket's from Target, bedding's from Target, everything's from Target, including the artwork above the bed as well. We have the same shades in here as we do in the living room. Our side tables are from TJ Maxx. I actually had these in my college house, so I've had these for years and years and years. And I just always keep my Kindle here, and believe it or not, me and Sam actually made this and a few other pieces we have throughout the house in the clay making class we took, which is really fun. And then in it, I just keep these little charms that were on my wedding bouquet, and it's 3 of my grandparents that have passed away. So just a little sweet memento that I keep on the side of my bed. And then this olive tree is from Amazon, and its pot is from Hobby Lobby. And this is our closet. It's pretty small. We've tried to configure as best as we could, but it works. And this rug is from Overstock as well, and I love it. I love the faded look, and I think it just brings some color into our bedroom. This is our dresser. This dresser is from IKEA. When we bought it, I planned on like changing the knobs and doing all the things, but I ended up never doing that, and I think it still looks great. So on here we have this box. This has a ton of Sam's like everyday things in there, and then just this picture frame from Target. Over here's a few special things. So this is my jewelry holder. You might notice we have a few birds around the house. I like to put birds in places to remind me of Matthew 6, to not be anxious, because I tend to be very anxious. And then this piece is very special. These are actually the flowers from our bouquet, and I had them preserved, and they are just gorgeous. My grandma gave me a graduation gift and this is what I got, so thank you, Grandma. Through here is our bathroom. Welcome to our bathroom. I love our bathroom at night. These lights just make it super warm and cozy in here. They did such a great job. I love the double vanity and just all the details that they added in here. And then if you come over here, this is our curbless shower. When we bought the house, we didn't know what this would be like. So you'll notice there's no glass, and that's how they designed it, and it's actually really nice. It makes the bathroom feel much larger. And then right here I have my bathtub, and I take a bath pretty often, almost every night. I love the tile in the shower. It's like this textured palm leaf, and it's really, really beautiful. It kind of reminds me of a spa. I love it. And then we have this laundry basket right here I got off of Amazon, and it fits perfect. I love it. And then this is our toilet room in here. Now we are back in the kitchen, and on the opposite side of the house is really our whole guest suite, which I love that it's on opposite sides. It's like whenever we have people over, they can have their own side of the house and we have our own side of the house. So come on. This is our guest bathroom. As you can see, they did striped flooring. I can't say I would have chosen it, but I don't hate it. I kind of like it. And then the tile inside the shower is this really cool textured tile, which I think adds a little fun element to the room. And I really love this beautiful tall mirror. So then we have 2 rooms off of this hallway, so we'll go into the smaller room first. This has very much been our miscellaneous room. At one point it was an office, then we moved Sam's office stuff downstairs, and now it's like a second guest bedroom. I kind of used everything I had to decorate the room, so it's not my favorite decorations, but it was all free because I already had it. So this is our main guest bedroom. I recently added a desk in here just to kind of have my own space to work, and I love it. So I actually did a whole video on us putting this together. Since my family lives in Tennessee and we live in Atlanta, we often have visitors, so I really wanted a place that they would be excited to come to. So a little tip, if you have a guest bedroom and if you have the space for it, I would get a king size bed. It's not that much more expensive, and I found that our guests love it. This metal bed frame is from Wayfair, and all the bedding is from Target. This rug I got off of Facebook Marketplace. I'm very proud of this find, but you can get it on Overstock and many other places. I know it's still available. And then I have a full-size mirror in here for our guests as well, and to be honest, I use it like every single day because we don't have one in our room. So I literally come across the house to see my outfit. I'm pretty sure these Roman shades are from Home Depot. I can't fully remember, but I'll link them down below. And these are little things, like I didn't have side tables for our guest bedroom, but I just used this stool and it works perfectly fine. This art is from Target, and then the other 2 pieces in the room are from Hobby Lobby. That is it for my home tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, be sure to stick around and subscribe. Don't forget, I'll have everything linked down below, and if you want to see more of my daily life, you can follow me over at my Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.